How to make a box anchor. This is going to be a step-by-step. Everything I'm going to do to make my own box anchor the same way I made the last one. And I'm also going to make a front anchor that we use often for snagging stuff on shore. It's basically everything you need to anchor up for catfishing. Alright, so basically what we're doing here is I'm going to cut every 12 inches for 4 pieces. That way it makes a box. This is just a typical cold saw, chop saw blade. This one specifically is a Trojan DM250 from sawblade.com, and this is one of their own quartz Versa blades. Cuts through steel like butter. It gives you a very nice clean cut, unlike an abrasive saw. And then I just use that piece to measure out the rest. By the way, it's not very smart to be doing this in shorts, t-shirt, flip-flops. I just don't care. One more. Now I got 4 pieces. Trying to decide if I should make the grappling parts of the box anchor now too while I'm here. I don't remember exactly how long I made the last ones. I feel like they're about basically perfectly square. Maybe just a little bit longer. This is 4-inch quarter wall steel. So maybe I'll do 5-inch long sections. On this one we need 4 per side, so a total of 8 pieces. Hurt the crap out of my toe. That's why you don't wear flip-flops. Maybe I should go put some shoes on. No, that'd be good shoes. But they're shoes. Look at that. Trevor and Elijah are back on a little mini boat. Hopefully they got skunked. The mini boat maiden voyage. I think he really just went bass fishing. 80 ounce? Both got new PVs. That wouldn't be very hard for either of you, so. It's 5. Alright, let's go find out what's going on here. No? Caught something. You have to watch this video in 2024 to figure out what it was. 2 more. That's all those pieces. Usually for eyelets. I think this is what we're going to use as the base of our snagging anchor also. Looking good. Careful trimming little edges. Luckily it doesn't look like it broke anything. Snagging anchor end. snagging anchor ends. Guess I could turn this at a 45-degree angle. I think which will give me more meat to weld on. Can I get the idea? Oh, need another end piece too. Oh, I already cut that end at 45. So, back to 0. That's why you wear eye protection. Pretty sure I caught that to the eye. Hopefully it hit my eyelid. I have no idea why it stopped filming, but I now have a fully welded, very hot, fully welded box, not perfectly square. It'll work. Long break, but had to run to the store to get anchor rope and chain and new D-rings and all that good stuff for this guy, and food to go to the lake this weekend. So I decided to go do that for lunchtime. We're getting started again on this guy. So much fun. Way easier to buy them. Whew. You're all set to go once I weld this last pass. Voila! Box anchor. Things should hold. That's how it came out. She's a wee hot. And this guy, also still very hot.
He's lying. It's cold.
I'm really hot.
That's true.
Not in a good way. Don't weld things in summer. Bye. Alright. Sun's a little bright, but this is our final result. 100 foot of 3/8 rope. Hi, Mila. Yeah, you're in the way. 14 feet of chain. Clip to connect the rope. D-ring, connect the anchor. All of that should work, hopefully. Camera's probably freaking out. I'm holding it weird. Thanks for watching another episode.